Yo! I told him, hey, I have absolutely no clue what's going on right now. I've been incapacitated for at least 3 days straight. I'm starving and I think I'm gonna die soon. you know?
Cudgle, what the fuck is you doing? We have work to do.
Robert, can't you see I'm having a nice, peaceful conversation with Candy Corn Plush's family? They're actually nice people. I thought they'd be absolutely horrible, but not really.
But you have a gosh darn video to do, my dude.
Ugh. Come on, dude, can't you just do this?
Are you absolutely sure you want to ask me that? Because I will bring out the beating stick and you know damn well that thing smarts like a motherfucker.
Fine, I understand. I guess I'll do it, but you need to do me a favor. I'm gonna need you to chill out sometimes because I notice you stressing out a little bit. And you know what I say, a happy mind is a cool guy. So if you just chill out sometimes, then your life would be a lot better, and I would love for you to have a nice life. Dang, Robert, you just need to hit the blunt once in a while. So yeah, while I did get a few recommendations for this custom amiibo, it's one that I've wanted to do for a while. By the way, here are those people that recommended it. So yeah, I'm not a fan of many superhero movies, or movies in general actually, but when I saw Deadpool, that was a pretty dang funny movie. So I figured, hey, maybe I should just make a Deadpool amiibo. And in case you didn't know, I did. I don't see much point to pussyfooting around this anymore, so here you go, guys. This is the Deadpool custom amiibo.
Yes!
So yeah, that was a custom Deadpool amiibo. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that mother effing like button. If you got any fan art for me, that's awesome. You can go ahead and tweet it at me at Cudgle YouTube, link in the description. And I'll catch you on the flip side, chaplip.
Last night in the D, let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation.